Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to update Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to update Google Maps, first open up your Play Store on your phone, and after opening your Play Store, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there's a search button available for us. At the bottom right corner, tap on the search button and tap on the search bar at the top of the screen on this interface, and over here, guys, search for Google Maps by typing in and search for it. And you can see, guys, there is the Google Maps, and the Google Maps on my phone requires an update as well, so let's open it. But guys, if your Google Maps did not require an update, there would be the open button available instead of the update button. Since the Google Maps app on my phone does also require the update, there's the update button available for us, so let's update it and let's wait for it, guys. And you can see, guys, after the Google Maps has been updated, there's the open button available for us. And with that being done, guys, your Google Maps will be updated and ready to use. And then, guys, this is how to update Google Maps on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.